330 ml, samo 50 centi. Od svakodnevnih namirnica do sezonskih favorita. Pronađi sve što ti treba na jednom mjestu. Kvalitetno.
Hello, I hope you saw my last video about LilyGo T-Embed SI4732. Now I have new firmware for it. This is FM only firmware because as casual listener I mostly need FM. And I also made some modification. I installed this on-off switch and I installed my own speaker. Actually this is 15-year-old speaker from my first laptop. You can see that installing of that switch was quite easy because there is plenty of space inside that case, and connecting this speaker was also easy. Speaker is connected directly to that SI4732 module. Firmware itself is simpler than last one. With this middle button I can choose what I want to set, so here I can set volume, here and here I can set this. I can tune my radio, and here I can enter search mode. We have signal to noise ratio meter, we have S meter, few new images, and what is new, nothing special, but right now last station is saved in EEPROMs. So if I dial some station and if I turn my radio off and on, it will remain last station. Keep in mind that you will need to remove this SI module because you will need to plug your antenna to correct connector. You will need to connect it to FM connector, not AM, because default connection is to AM. Underneath you will see also speaker connector, and maybe you will get some idea what else modification can be done. In this video I will share both firmware, but I will also share code. I use Squareline Studio to make this user interface, and I think it looks very good. Tell me what you think in the comments. Link of the device is in description, so feel free to check it out if you want to order this and play with it like I am playing and enjoying.
Jutarnje špice. Kupi uređaj iz nove Galaxy Z serije u pretprodaji i dobivaš dvostruko veći memorijski prostor uz uštedu do 150 eura. Požuri, sklopi super ponudu. Otvoreni.
Na Instagramu, TikToku, Facebooku i YouTubeu. Svugdje smo. Osim na X-u. Sorry Mask. Kad od boljeg tražiš bolje još, biraj like.
If you are first time here on my channel, please consider subscribing on my channel. You can find many interesting projects, boards related to LoRa, radio, GPS. I use development boards with built-in display, and I try to make my user interfaces good looking and nice. As I said, I use Squareline Studio to make this user interface. You can see that there is only 49 widgets, so you can make this with free version of Squareline Studio. Making this interface using pure code it is possible, but it would be much harder. You can find whole project in description, so you can import this project and code to your Squareline Studio and make some modification. Code is basically simple, is not too long, less than 500 lines, and keep in mind that you will need to use ESP32 definition less than 30. I'm using 2.0.40 to program this, and here are my settings. PS RAM, of course, large partition, flash size large, and if you want to use serial monitor, you can put this to enable. And that's it. I will also put link of this board so you can buy it if you want. And if this was very useful to you, and you can always buy me coffee, check my Patreon site, or use YouTube, thanks, or just watch few my other videos and subscribe. Thank you. Goodbye.
Jednostavno, sigurno, dok kažeš kredit, jer kad je hitno, samo jedno je bitno.